71 minus z equals 55. How are you going to get z by itself? Anybody know? Add 71? Subtract. And 71 is a positive in this problem. So to get rid of it, take it to the other side, you have to subtract it. So you can subtract 71 from both sides. You're left with negative z equals what? 16? Positive 16?
Negative.
Negative? Is that all we have left to do? Y'all know what to do on that? We have negative z equals negative 16. So if we have a negative exponent, negative z equals negative 16. To get just z by itself, all we have to do is just change the sign of z to a positive z and change the sign to the 16, which will give us z equals positive 16. Y'all get that? Alright, number 3. Y over 8 equals 9. How do we get y by itself? Subtract 8. Okay. 8. Y is being divided right now by 8. So we want to do the opposite. On the other problems, whenever we want to get a positive number to the other side, we subtract it. So if we want to get a divided number to the other side, we have to multiply. We have to do the opposite of what it's already doing to get it to the other side. So we'll have y equals 9 times 8. What does that give you?
32.
Okay. Here's one like you had on the bell work this morning. Does anybody know the first step on this one?
Do you subtract 8 from 21?
Okay. So we subtract 8. You have 3n equals 21. What do we do from there?
21 divided by 3.
Okay. So divide 3 by both sides because it's being multiplied. So to get 3 to the other side, we have to divide to get rid of it. 21 divided by 3? 12 plus b over 6 equals 16. What do we do on this one?
Multiply. Subtract 12 from 16.
Subtract 12. Because on the other ones, on number 4, we take just the number by itself over before we do anything with the exponent in the number. So since 12 is a positive, we'll subtract 12 from both sides. So we're left with b over 6 equals 4. Then what? How do we get
8 and negative 8.
negative 8? Negative 4 is being multiplied by p. So how do we get negative 4 to the other side?
You divide 8 by negative 8. Yeah, divide
By negative 4 on both sides? What's negative 8 divided by negative 4?
Just right.
Because whenever you divide a negative and a negative, you get a positive number. So it'll give you positive 2. Alright, I've got a tic-tac-toe game for you guys. I'm gonna break you guys up into groups of 2. I'll get off that screen.
Just click anywhere. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Partners. There you go.
Ben and Laura's gonna be the first group. Tiffany and Emily. Andy and Caitlin. Kayla and Kaylee. Jared and Mallory. Rebecca and Latavia. Kaylee and Ricky. Brianna and Tanika. Eric and Brenna. Alright, Chloe, you're going to be in our group too. Alright, so you guys separate throughout the room, and I'm going to hand out the tic-tac-toe board game for you. Take your notebook with you because you're going to make your own piece of paper too. When you guys get your group on your own sheet of paper, make a big tic-tac-toe board like the one on the paper I'm giving you. No. Just make a big tic-tac-toe board like it has. You don't have to write the problems down yet. Yes.
It's called the big board.
I'll tell you in just a second. Everybody group have a paper? Okay, so make sure you make a big tic-tac-toe board on your paper. You're going to write down the problem in the square like you would on your paper. So in the top left corner of your paper, you write down this problem, and you're going to work that problem in that square on your paper. And the youngest person is going to go first. If that person gets the right answer, if they get the right answer, the answer's on the back of this paper that I just gave you. So whenever you do when you work the problems, just check your answer on the back, and if you get it right, if the person that is turned, if you get it right, then you get to put a colored cube on your paper. If the person is turned does not get it right, but the other person gets it right, then they get to put their color on that cube. And the first person to get 3 in a row wins. And I've got other boards. If you get finished with that board, and you want to do another one. Like the youngest person will go first. But both people work the problem. Or all 3 people, like in that group. And I'm going to come around and give you guys colors to put on the board when you get one right. Yeah, you have a calculator for that.
So like you pick one. Who's your number? You pick one. You both work it out. If you get it right, he's going to give you colors. You get to put your color on that square. So like on this square. If you get it wrong and Brenna gets it right, her color goes there.
It's their turn
Oh,
first.
so we're like playing each other.
Yeah, and then it's Brenna's turn.
And if that person
You want to try to get 3 in a row.
So if you get the color,
Well, but you have to, don't look. Check yourself. But you have to show all of your work in order to make it count.
yes. Thank